Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take charger out of Tesla, full guide. Press the release button on the handle, then grip the connector firmly and pull straight out. If locked, use the car key fob, interior unlock, or the app to release the latch. Always avoid twisting the cable sharply and stow the connector on the cradle to prevent dirt and damage to the seal. Always pause charging before removing the connector and confirm the status on the screen or app. Wear gloves if connectors are hot, and never force a stuck plug. Inspect the latch and try the app or key. For public chargers, watch for vehicle locks or pins. If still engaged, contact the station operator. Taking these precautions prevents shocks, port damage, and costly repairs to your charging equipment. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free music and timers while you work on your car, and it pairs nicely with garage lighting for charging sessions. I'll link the deal in the description so you can check it out. Now let's get back to the video. If the charger remains stuck, try unlocking via the app and then press the release button again. Look for grit, ice, or a bent latch causing the blockage and clear it gently. A quick vehicle restart can reset electronic locks, but if nothing works, call Tesla support or station help to avoid damage. Keep calm and avoid excessive force to protect the port and connector alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.